Welcome to English 17.
Today, we're going to practice shadowing together.
Just listen
Repeat.
and speak with confidence.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
The goal isn't to be perfect.
The goal is to keep speaking.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Imagine you're at a coffee shop.
Someone smiles at you.
Your turn. Hi, how's your day going? Hi, how's your day going?
Great. The person smiles and says, "I'm doing really well, thanks."
Now it's your turn. That's great to hear. That's great to hear.
Nice job. Keep the conversation going.
Say this. Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
The person laughs. Yes, I come here almost every day.
Now respond. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
The answer? I usually get an iced latte.
Your turn. I'll have to try that. I'll have to try that.
Excellent.
One last sentence. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
Fantastic.
Today, you didn't just listen.
You spoke English with us.
Keep practicing every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of English 17.
Bye.